with 54 votes in the affirmative, 1 in the negative, and 0 abstention, the chair declares the sufficiency in substance of Zabala et al. Impeachment complaint. So ruled. With 54 votes in the affirmative and 1 vote in the negative, with 0 abstention, the chair declares the Cabrera impeachment complaint sufficient in substance. So ruled.
Napalapit ng isang hakbang sa full-blown hearing ang isinusulong na impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Yan ay matapos na ideklarang sufficient in substance ang 2 impeachment complaints na inihain ng Zabala et al. At ni Attorney Nathaniel Cabrera. Tanging si Quezon City Representative Bong Suntay ang tumutol na umusad ito. Halos pareho ang grounds for impeachment na ginamit sa mga complaint na kinabibilangan ng culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, bribery at other high crimes. Pero nakatutok ang inihain ng Zabala et al. Sa umano'y maling paggamit ng confidential funds, questionableng liquidation documents, pagbabanta sa buhay ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at korupsyon sa ilalim ng termino bilang kalihim ng DepEd. Ang isinampa naman ni Attorney Cabrera ay naglalaman ng aligasyon ng irregularidad sa procurement, misdeclaration sa SALN, hindi maipaliwanag na yaman at command responsibility sa maling paggamit ng pondo ng bayan. Bibigyan ng 10 araw si Duterte para sagutin ang impeachment. Handa na ring tumanggap ng mga isusumiting ebidensya ang komite.
We will be welcoming also the submission of evidence. That is because both complaints have been declared sufficient in substance already. No? If ever there are affidavits and counter affidavits, we should be notified by the complainants because they need to be sworn in before the Justice Committee. When all this evidence and documents are gathered, completely gathered, and all these responsive pleadings are received, then that is the time for us to determine whether there is sufficient ground that support the impeachment complaint. And if the decision of the Justice Committee is in the affirmative, that's the only time that we will be proceeding to the hearing proper. If she doesn't file an answer, that is considered as a denial of all the allegations contained in the complaint, and the Justice Committee will simply proceed to hearing these impeachment complaints.
Samantala, hindi na inaasahan ng isa sa endorsers na sasagutin pa ni Duterte ang mga aligasyon laban sa kanya.
She vote ko, pero nakakita niya naman yung blue sa kanong quad talagang. The only time she came in was the president was here and sa kay Zulaika dati. Pero hindi pa rin ko siya I'm not expecting.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Gika Aminyo ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.